UMLA Ranikor ba pius marwen hene kasingi arbhawai tarik mentau benai ulara Ïing Dorbar halor kajing Pyndik Palat ki Hati ya ki pat ba bat penjulor ya kijing dan jing haka konstituensi jong u halor kane menteri rangba kajela kodrat ki sangma ulaong habadon kum kini kijing ja dan kamban pentep mardor Khubor district.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to call the attention of the Chief Minister in charge Forest and Environment under the Rule 54 Clause 1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Unong San Hima dated 22nd January 2024 under the caption Stang Thong Ki Hati Klau Sa Ya Ki Briu Rai Ki Nong Rap Ben Set Yap Nong.
Yes, please. You may continue.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in the recent years, there has been an alarming increase in the number of elephants inflicting damages to property and endangering the safety of the local population there. This rampage have had a catastrophic impact on my constituency, instilling fear and uncertainty among inhabitants while inflicting enormous economic and social upheavals. Mr. Speaker, sir, to this effect, on 20th January 2024, the two villages of Nongna and Potkro called for an emergency public meeting where the farmers of Nong Ijingai, Dirang, Molongba, Khatramai, and other adjoining areas, along with the Ranikor Area Farmers Association, addresses the impact of this rampage and have come to the decision that if the government failed to come out with a permanent solution to this issue, they will have a compelled to shoot these elephants that encourages and destroy their agricultural produce. Sir, there are many instances where these farmers were chased by the elephants on their way to their fields and on their way, especially during the night, and standard for hours waiting for these elephants to pass by from one village to another. Mr. Speaker, sir, as a local representative who is concerned with the well-being on my constituents, I have personally visited these areas, wrote to the concerned departments recently to address the impending issue regarding the hardships that these peoples are facing, which affects their livelihood, like providing financial incentive to those farmers who live their livelihood overnight from an elephant raid so as to enable them to sustain their fragile incomes to help rebuild their homes and agricultural products. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, to conclude, in calling attention to this pressing issue of elephant rampage and human-elephants conflicts, I would therefore like to urge the government to come out with a measure to lessen the impacts of elephant rampage, including development of effective strategies for managing human-elephants conflict, as these wonderful creatures, which are increasingly coming into conflicts with human settlements due to declines of their natural habitats, are forced to seek for food and waters in those villages they came across. Therefore, sir, I once again stress the need for urgent implementation of better fencing establishment and wildlife corridors and developments of community-based conservation initiative to create awareness among the local populace to ensure that they understand the coexistence between the man and animals that can minimize conflicts and maximize safety. On this above grounds, I henceforth request the government under Honorable Chief Minister in this August House to take this issue seriously beforehand at all costs to prevent repeatedly occurrences which can hamper economic and social development in my constituency. With this few words, Mr. Deputy Sir, I resume my seat.
Thank you. May I request Honorable Chief Minister to reply, please?
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Member from Ranikor constituency for having brought up this call attention motion. Sir, what has been mentioned by the Honourable Member is absolutely correct, that the instances of man-animal conflict have gone up in the recent past, and this of course has been driven by the need of economic livelihood for the people, and at the same time the area which was normally the passage for the elephants being occupied by different inhabitants and also being used for different economic activities. And so, realizing this complicated situation, a large number of steps have been taken in the short term. For example, creation of village defense squads. Even in a situation where precious lives are lost, we have decided to increase the ex gratia from 5 lakhs now to 10 lakh rupees. And different kind of support wherever possible the state government is giving to areas and people and families that are affected due to man-animal conflict.